Good evening. You're watching PDS English News. I'm Veronica Lin. Following the United States and Taiwan's joint statement to cooperate together to combat COVID-19 on March 18th, the European Union and the Academia Sinica also announced to join forces to develop vaccines and rapid tests. Philip Gregorzeski, head of the European Economic and Trade Office in Taiwan, also tweeted, "We will defeat #coronavirus." Starting from today, all non-Taiwanese citizens are banned from entry into Taiwan, except for those who hold resident permits or are part of a foreign delegation. Furthermore, those who can enter Taiwan are required to self-quarantine for 14 days at home. 23 new cases of COVID-19 were reported in just a day yesterday, breaking the record of number of cases in one day. Most of these cases were imported, with the focus now on case number 84, a French national. He had arrived in Taiwan on March 12th and walked all over Taipei before he was confirmed to have contracted the virus on March 16th. Now we'll bring you the top stories from around the nation. The Executive Yuan cleared the draft bill for the lay judge system and has sent it to the Legislative Yuan. If the bill is passed, members of the public will be allowed to take part in the criminal justice system to co-decide the verdict. There are currently more than 1,000 under self-quarantine in Kaohsiung City. Many are under a lot of stress. The government thus has set up consultation hotlines to offer mental health support. The government has issued a statement saying all workers in the public sector should refrain from traveling abroad and will need permission before traveling. Those who apply for countries with level 3 warning will not be approved. However, before the statement was issued, despite the pandemic, 2 Tainan city government public functionaries are currently already traveling abroad in Iceland and Turkey. Tainan City Mayor Huang Weizhe has now ordered the 2 functionaries to return to Taiwan immediately. Let's take a look at some international news today. The U.S. and Canada closed their mutual borders to all non-essential traffic, while President Donald Trump moved to speed up medical equipment production and said that hospital ships would be deployed to coronavirus hot zones. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said that the government was keeping everything under review when asked whether he would lock down London while his citizens are flouting warnings to avoid social gatherings. Following U.S. President Donald Trump's tweet of calling COVID-19 a Chinese virus, China's leading respiratory expert Zhong Nanshan said there is no evidence that the origins of COVID-19 were from China. Now back to Taiwan, the potential increase in traffic volume during the upcoming Tomb Sweeping Festival at the beginning of April will bring a significant challenge to Taiwan's disease prevention efforts. Thank you for watching PDS English News. I'm Veronica Lim. I'll see you next week.